If you love upgrading your vehicle, the right exterior accessories can make a huge difference in both style and protection. In today's video from Auto Gear Insider, I'm sharing 21 exterior car accessories for US drivers that can instantly improve your car's appearance while adding useful functionality. From protective gear to stylish upgrades, these accessories help your vehicle stand out while staying safe from everyday wear and tear. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews.
Black Flag Emblem Decal. The Black Flag Emblem Decal is a simple yet powerful way to personalize the exterior of your vehicle. I like how this small accessory instantly adds a bold and stylish statement without requiring any complicated installation. Made with durable, weather-resistant materials, it holds up well against rain, sun, and everyday road conditions. The adhesive backing allows it to stick firmly to smooth surfaces like trunk lids, bumpers, or windows. Many drivers use this type of decal to showcase personality while keeping their vehicle looking clean and unique. If you enjoy subtle customization that stands out just enough, this emblem decal is an easy and affordable way to upgrade your vehicle's exterior appearance. Snap-on handle covers. Snap-on handle covers are a quick upgrade that adds both protection and style to your vehicle's door handles. I really like how these covers instantly change the appearance of the handles while preventing scratches, fading, and everyday wear. They are designed to snap securely over existing handles, which means no tools or complicated installation are required. Many versions come with a glossy or chrome finish that complements modern vehicle designs nicely. Besides the visual upgrade, they also protect the original handle surface from fingerprints and small damage over time. For anyone who enjoys small exterior upgrades that make a noticeable difference, these snap-on covers are an easy and practical improvement.
Waterproof roof cargo bag. A waterproof roof cargo bag is one of my favorite accessories for maximizing vehicle storage space during trips. Instead of cramming luggage inside the cabin, this bag sits securely on the roof and keeps everything protected from rain, dust, and road debris. I like how most models use heavy-duty waterproof materials, combined with strong straps that attach easily to roof racks or crossbars. The spacious interior makes it perfect for camping gear, suitcases, or sports equipment. When not in use, it usually folds down into a compact size for storage. If you travel often or simply need extra cargo space, this roof cargo bag can make road trips far more comfortable. Smoked headlight tint film. Smoked headlight tint film is a stylish accessory that can dramatically change the front look of a vehicle. I enjoy how this film gives headlights a sleek, modern smoked appearance while still allowing light to shine through clearly. The flexible vinyl material is designed to stretch and fit smoothly over different headlight shapes. Many kits include air release technology that helps reduce bubbles during installation. Besides the visual upgrade, the film can also add a small layer of protection against minor scratches and road debris. If you want your vehicle to stand out with a more aggressive front-end look, this smoked tint film is a popular and affordable modification.
Universal front lip splitter. A universal front lip splitter is a fantastic upgrade for drivers who enjoy a sportier exterior design. I like how this accessory attaches to the lower front bumper and instantly gives the vehicle a more aggressive and aerodynamic appearance. Most models are made from flexible yet durable materials that can handle daily driving conditions and occasional bumps. Installation is typically straightforward with included screws or adhesive strips. Besides improving the overall look, the splitter can also help guide airflow under the vehicle, which some drivers appreciate for styling and performance inspiration. If you want your ride to look more performance-inspired, this simple exterior addition makes a noticeable visual impact. Foldable windshield sunshade. A foldable windshield sunshade is a practical accessory that protects the vehicle interior from intense sunlight. I personally appreciate how it keeps the cabin noticeably cooler when the vehicle is parked outside for long periods. The reflective surface blocks sunlight while helping reduce heat buildup inside the dashboard area. Most designs fold quickly into a compact size, making them easy to store in a door pocket or seat organizer. It also helps protect dashboards, steering wheels, and seats from fading caused by sun exposure. If you regularly park outdoors, this simple accessory can make entering your vehicle far more comfortable while also protecting interior materials over time.
Universal bumper lip kit. The Universal Bumper Lip Kit is another great option for drivers who want to enhance the vehicle's exterior styling without spending a fortune. I like how this flexible lip trim runs along the lower bumper edges to create a sportier and more customizable appearance. Most kits are made from durable rubber or polyurethane materials designed to handle different weather conditions. Installation is usually simple, with strong adhesive backing, making it accessible for beginners. Besides style, the lip can also act as a small protective barrier against minor scrapes when parking. For drivers who enjoy subtle but noticeable visual upgrades, this bumper lip kit offers a clean and aggressive look. Silicone license plate frame. A silicone license plate frame is a surprisingly useful accessory that many drivers overlook. I like how the soft silicone material prevents the annoying rattling noise that sometimes happens with metal plate frames. It also protects the vehicle paint around the plate area from scratches and vibrations. The flexible frame is easy to install and fits securely around standard license plates. Another advantage is its resistance to rust, fading, and cracking over time. Many designs also have a clean, minimalist appearance that blends nicely with any vehicle style. If you want a quiet, durable, and protective solution for your license plate, this silicone frame is a simple but smart upgrade.
Elastic Trunk Cargo Net. The Elastic Trunk Cargo Net is one of those accessories that instantly improves vehicle organization. I really like how it keeps groceries, tools, and small bags from sliding around during sudden stops or turns. The stretchable net material expands easily to hold different types of items while keeping them securely in place. Most models attach quickly to built-in hooks or anchor points inside the trunk area. This means installation takes only a few minutes without tools. If you frequently carry loose items in your trunk, this net helps keep everything neat and easy to access. It is a small accessory that makes daily driving and errands much more organized. LED Tire Valve Lights. LED tire valve lights are a fun accessory that adds a stylish glow to the wheels, especially at night. I like how these small lights screw directly onto the tire valve stems without any complicated wiring. As the wheels rotate, the LEDs create a bright circular light effect that instantly makes the vehicle stand out. Many models include motion sensors or automatic activation when the vehicle starts moving. They are typically powered by small batteries and designed to resist water and dust. If you enjoy adding unique lighting accents to your vehicle exterior, these valve lights are an easy way to create a bold and eye-catching nighttime look.
Snap-on handle cover. Snap-on handle cover accessories are perfect for refreshing worn or faded door handles without replacing the original parts. I like how they clip securely over the existing handle design and instantly improve the vehicle's appearance. Many covers come in finishes such as chrome, gloss black, or carbon-style textures that complement modern vehicle designs nicely. Besides the visual improvement, they help protect the original handles from scratches and daily wear caused by keys or rings. Installation usually takes just a few minutes with no special tools required. For drivers who enjoy quick cosmetic upgrades, these snap-on handle covers offer a simple way to refresh exterior styling. Breathable car cover. A breathable car cover is one of the best ways to protect a parked vehicle from dust, sunlight, and weather exposure. I like how these covers use layered fabric that allows moisture to escape while still blocking rain and dirt. This helps prevent condensation from building up underneath the cover. Many versions also include elastic hems or straps that keep the cover securely in place during windy conditions. Using a car cover regularly can help preserve paint finish and reduce cleaning time. If your vehicle spends long hours parked outdoors or in open spaces, a breathable cover provides reliable protection while maintaining the vehicle's overall appearance. 21 cubic foot roof cargo bag. The 21 cubic foot roof cargo bag is designed for drivers who need serious storage space during travel. I really like how this larger capacity bag can hold multiple suitcases, camping equipment, or bulky gear without crowding the cabin. Heavy-duty waterproof fabric protects belongings from rain and road spray, while reinforced straps keep the bag stable during highway driving. Some models even include anti-slip mats for extra security on smooth roofs. When the trip is over, the bag usually folds down compactly for easy storage. If you enjoy road trips, outdoor adventures, or family travel, this high-capacity roof cargo bag provides a convenient and flexible storage solution. Universal mud flap set. A universal mud flap set is a practical accessory that helps protect the lower body panels of a vehicle. I appreciate how these flaps block mud, gravel, and road debris from being thrown up by the tires. This protection helps reduce paint chips and keeps the sides of the vehicle cleaner during wet or muddy conditions. Most sets are designed to fit a wide range of vehicles and install using simple mounting hardware. The durable rubber or plastic construction holds up well in harsh weather and rough roads. If you want a functional upgrade that keeps your vehicle cleaner and better protected, mud flaps are definitely worth considering. 35% window tint. 35% window tint is a popular choice for drivers who want a balance between style, privacy, and visibility. I like how this tint slightly darkens the windows while still allowing plenty of natural light inside the cabin. The film helps reduce glare from sunlight and headlights, which can make driving more comfortable during bright conditions. Another benefit is that tint film blocks a portion of harmful UV rays, helping protect interior materials from fading. Many people also enjoy the sleek appearance that tinted windows add to a vehicle. If you want improved comfort and a cleaner exterior look, this window tint option offers a great middle ground. Aluminum hitch cover. The aluminum hitch cover is a simple accessory that adds both protection and style to the rear of a vehicle equipped with a hitch receiver. I like how this small upgrade keeps dirt, rust, and debris from building up inside the hitch opening when it is not in use. The aluminum construction provides durability while maintaining a clean and polished appearance that complements many vehicle styles. Most hitch covers slide directly into the receiver and secure with a hitch pin, making installation quick and tool-free. It also gives the back of the vehicle a more finished look. If you want to protect your hitch and improve exterior styling, this accessory is a smart addition. Dark smoke hood shield. A dark smoke hood shield is a practical accessory that helps protect the front edge of the hood from bugs, small stones, and road debris. I like how the dark tinted acrylic design blends nicely with most vehicle colors while adding a slightly aggressive style. The shield creates a small airflow barrier that helps deflect debris away from the hood and windshield. Many models are designed for easy installation using clips or adhesive mounts without drilling. Besides protection, it also reduces the amount of bug splatter that reaches the windshield during highway driving. For drivers who want added front-end protection with a stylish appearance, this hood shield is a great choice. Ceramic car polish wax. Ceramic car polish wax is a great solution for keeping the exterior paint looking glossy and well protected. I enjoy using ceramic-based formulas because they create a strong protective layer that helps repel water, dirt, and road grime. This protective coating also enhances the shine of the paint, giving the vehicle a deep reflective finish. Many ceramic wax products are designed for easy application with a microfiber cloth, making them beginner-friendly. In addition to improving appearance, the coating helps protect the paint from UV exposure and environmental contaminants. If you want your vehicle to maintain a clean and polished look, ceramic polish wax is definitely worth adding. HOV sticker protection film. HOV sticker protection film is a useful accessory for drivers who want to keep their vehicle stickers clean and undamaged. I like how this transparent film creates a protective layer over important decals without changing their appearance. The clear material helps prevent fading, peeling, or scratching caused by weather exposure in car washes. Installation is usually simple and similar to applying a screen protector, allowing the film to sit smoothly over the sticker surface. This accessory can extend the life of decals that need to remain visible and readable for long periods. If you want to protect your vehicle stickers while keeping the exterior looking neat, this film is a smart solution. Those were some of the best 21 exterior car accessories for US drivers that can instantly improve style, protection, and functionality. From smart storage solutions to stylish design upgrades, these accessories can make your vehicle look better while staying protected on the road. If any of these products caught your interest, be sure to check the links in the description for more details. Thanks for watching Auto Gear Insider. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next top automotive gadget review.